Here is the Btootos A90 Pro earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we should do is put these earbuds in the pairing mode. So go ahead and take the earbuds out of the case. And then as soon as you take them out of the case, wait a few seconds. And if they're both blinking white, one will blink rapidly white, the other will blink really slowly white. But I'm not getting any lights on here at all. And the reason is because I'm actually connected to a different device, my phone here. So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, what I can do is I can go to settings, Bluetooth onto this phone here, and you can see I'm connected. So I can turn off Bluetooth, I can disconnect, or I can delete it from the pairing list. And then this will go into pairing mode. I can also reset these and these will automatically go into pairing mode as well. But let me just do this now. I'm just going to go ahead and just turn off Bluetooth here and look at the earbuds. I'm going to turn it off. Now wait a few seconds. And now these should automatically go into pairing mode. Now you can see one of them is blinking white, kind of fast, and the other is slow white blinking light. So now it's in pairing mode. Let's shoot over to our Samsung TV and you want to go to settings. You can just go to the home page. Click on the home button on the remote, and then you want to move over to the left and look for settings right there. Select settings, and then we're going to go to all settings right there. From here, we're going to go down to sound, select that. Sound output is currently going to be coming out of my TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these. So let's select sound output. We're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list. And now that little spinny thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. These are still in the pairing mode. So let's start scrolling down. These are the other devices I have paired. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. A90 Pro needs pairing. So let's go ahead and select that. Pair and connect. Connecting. Give it 1 second here. And voila, A90 Pro is now connected. And then let's see, we can see it. Okay, it says connected right there. So there you go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.